Abehluleli abathathu yibona banike uMengameli uRamaphosa ithutshana lokuthi akhokhe umoya njengoba wabengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma efuna ukuthi uRamaphosa ashushiswe ngasese.
The application is urgent and the ordinary forms and service provided for in the Uniform Rules of Court are dispensed with. 2. Pending the final determination of Part B, the first respondent is interdicted from taking any further steps to give effect to the nolli prosequi certificates of 21 November 2022 and 6 June 2022, and the summonses issued by the Registrar on the 15th and 21st of December 2022, or to pursue the private prosecution under case number 59772 of 2022 against the applicant in any way.
Umengameli wezwe unikele enkantolo ephakeme yonxusa ukuthi le nkantolo ikhipha isivimbelo ivimbo wayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma njengoba efuna ukuthi ashushiswe uRamaphosa. Okunye kufunayo umengameli wezwe ukuthi angaveli enkantolo ngoLwesine njengoba kusho amaphepha. Inkantolo ivumelane nomengameli wezwe ukuthi kuzomlimaza ukuthi ayovela enkantolo ngamaphepha akhishwe kungalandeliwe imigude kumthethosisekelo wezwe.
The harm lies not in the temporary inconvenience of physically attending a hearing, if only for a formal postponement. The critical harm concerns a fundamentally, constitutionally guaranteed right to personal freedom.
Okhulumela isikhungo iJacob Zuma Foundation umzwanele manye uthi lesinqumo sivuna umengameli wezwe uRamaphosa.
Now for the judge to just pretend that all the rights are sacrosanct and all of that is really also another contestable ground. So really, we really think that what this has been all about today has been justice for the elite, where the elite has said, I don't want to come to court, and the judiciary has agreed.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli lisemukele lesinqumo. Inkantolo ke iphinde yayalela ithimba lezomthetho likaMengameli uRamaphosa kanye nethimba lika lowo owayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma ukuthi lamathimba womabili ethamela umhlangano okuzobe kuzobhungwa kuona ngesigaba sesibili sesicelo sikaMengameli uRamaphosa.
Amanye amaqembu ombusazwe asephawulile ngesinqumo senkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli sokugunyaza isicelo sikaMengameli uRamaphosa sokuhoxisa ukushushiswa kwakhe.
Former President Jacob Zuma must be stopped with his selfish and destructive court cases against President Ramaphosa. He is just a disgrace. The country is facing a lot of problems. The economy is down. We are faced with load shedding. Zuma is busy with senseless cases.
The judgment gives credence to the long-held view by many South Africans that our justice system is so inconsistent it can no longer be trusted. Our courts have eyes. There's no longer a distinction between a criminal court and a civil court. We are not equal before the law.
We were not expecting a different outcome in the first place because it has always been the norm that whenever President Ramaphosa goes to court, he's definitely going to succeed. Therefore, we're not surprised by this judgment.
It is quite clear that former President Zuma's private prosecution of President Ramaphosa is politically motivated and has little to no sound legal basis.